Are you ready to ruffle some feathers with amazing bird facts? Let's soar into it. Did you know that some birds can sleep while flying? Yep, the alpine swift can stay airborne for up to 200 days straight. And speaking of endurance, hummingbirds flap their wings about 80 times per second. That's faster than you can blink. But wait, there's more. The Arctic tern holds the record for the longest migration, traveling from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back each year. That's like flying from the North Pole to the South Pole. And get this, the lyrebird can mimic almost any sound it hears, from chainsaws to camera shutters. Talk about a bird with an identity crisis. So, the next time you see a bird, remember they're not just pretty faces, well, they're full of surprises. Thanks for watching and keep soaring high.